In your average beginning piano course, you learn your notes, you learn to play your little pieces, and slowly you advance. But what about a method that would show you how to learn those notes, how to learn your first pieces? How does the hand move on key? Such a method is Pianimals. It's 28 Feldenkrais lessons for the beginning pianist's hand, and it takes the hand back to its infancy. It lies it down, it relaxes it, not by flopping it on key. Would you imagine dropping a baby from 6 feet to help it relax? No, gently sliding, then gradually standing up, gradually feeling how the arm moves laterally and not pumping. Why would it pump when that's going to cut up the line? All these and more are in Pianimals. The teacher's manual has exercises which help the pupil feel these things, and the pictures and the compositions. Of course, the pupils don't need all those exercises, so they just have the pictures and the compositions. There's more, but I'll tell you about those another time. Pianimals, to help your hand learn how to play the piano.